This is Calibos, and we're playing Project Ozone 3. So when we last left off, we were dinking around with nitrogen. So, only nitrogen that works is this stuff from nuclear craft. Remember, we were crafting that in our thing, and it was just taking forever because it just takes a lot of resources. So I have it pumping out into the chemical reactor, which is, doing whatever. And now we have ammonia. So let's go ahead and make an ammonia tank. Tank, what color do we want ammonia to be? We can put these out over here. Perfect. Let's grab these two. Alright. That's weird. So another tank. We'll say 10. We're using a lot of these crazy things. Again, we're going to do these for diamonds. Okay, so we'll make this pink. Yellow. Pink, yellow, yellow. Seems great. So we'll go pop, pop. Put a sign. Oh, we could just go ammonia. Ammonia. Pink, yellow, yellow. Perfect. Boom, boom. Alright, so we're just gonna pop one up here with our stuff. We want a fluid conduit leading into it. Extract. Insert. And so now we have ammonia and ammonia. So we can pop that down here. Now we can look at, we've got ammonia. So now we need the boric acid. Boric acid. Boric acid is going to take yet another chemical reactor, but it's just going to be water and diaborane. So that should be pretty easy. So let's take another chemical reactor. The hardest part about these things is spelling it. And waiting for the stuff. Alright, chemical reactor, perfect. So we'll take this one, and this one is just going to be water, so we'll need another water tank. Oh, we're carrying like a million of these things around. So we need some lapis. Alright. So we're going to take our water tank, put it there. We're going to tell it to auto output. We're going to put our chemical reactor there. It's going to fill with water. Then we need to go grab our Boro diaborane stuff. Alright, I have this, and then we're going to put that there. Tell that also to auto output. Now we just need to put this power cell down. We need to give it a bit of a charge, go out. And so now we can get some energy. And we can get some speed. Alright, so we'll put the energy in here and the speed. So now we're getting boric acid and hydrogen gas. So, I mean, we technically have as much hydrogen as we want, so I'm not super worried about it. The difficulty we're going to have is it's going to stop making it when everything is full. Like, it will stop making it when it has too much hydrogen. So we're going to have to vent the hydrogen into something useful, or into something that, you know, is never going to overflow. So let's go ahead and get a void. Bin. Fluid bin. Can we make that? I mean, seems like fun. Molecular. Go down to the bottom. Notice our bin. So zirconium. Zirconium. How do we get zirconium dust? Do we not have any? So we can't make that because that is something that we don't have, and I'm not sure that we can make. So if we get a rock crusher from Nuclear Craft, we can make some of it with diorite, I guess. Who knew, right? How much diorite have we got? 134. Can we craft diorite? Alright, so we have a recipe to craft diorite. I'm a little weirded out that we need it, but what can you do? How about a barrel. Fluid. There's got to be another way to get rid of fluids. Hmm. I'm not actually seeing a lot of ways to do that. Okay, well, shoot. So what are our uses for hydrogen gas? Hydrogen gas. Um, Fusion reactor. I mean, so this is producing currently 21,000 RF a tick. Yellorium. And I'm not sure. Yellorium. I'm not sure why it's not doing its thing. So if I put that in there and we watch it, it should go up. So this will produce up to 65,000 RF a tick, which is quite a lot more than we need, just so you know. With the hydrogen that we were just looking at, uses, hydrogen uses fusion reactor from nuclear craft. So if we start pumping hydrogen into stuff, then we could theoretically be producing 2.5 million RF a tick. But it looks like this combo, like it does this for 25 ticks. So we would produce giant surges of power every once in a while. But I mean, we're already out producing our needs. So I'm not sure how useful this is. And depending on how we're mixing and matching our stuff, it looks like we can produce, more or less. So it looks like hydrogen and molten boron is probably the biggest one. So, yeah, I mean, wow. Am I carrying around a rotary condensator? So we're going to try an experiment here. So so that gives us boric acid, and we need the boric acid. So now we need boric nitride. So the boric nitride is going to be made in yet another chemical reactor, and again with wait, that's what we already did. So let's, is this what we need into the crystallizer, maybe? Crystallizer. Insert, always active. Is that a gas? And that's not why it's not working. Hydrogen. So we need to output stuff. It's not exactly excited about outputting that, but we'll try again. Let's give it some bit of oomph here. So, yeah, so this is what we need to be doing. So we need to be outputting Boro Nitride Solution into this. So nuclear craft. How do we move this stuff? It's not coming out. Pressurized pipe. Okay, that is not pressurized pipe. That is not it at all. Let's try our configurator. Something has got to pull out of this. Oh, ground. Ground. Okay, well, that's weird. I am not certain why this isn't working. Alright, I'm going to pause it and see if I can find an answer. Alright, I figured out what the problem is, and the problem is me. So let's just finish this crafting project really quick. Chemical reactors. So let's go ahead and pull this out and put this down. So we are water and then the diaborane. So let's go back to our armor. So we're looking at Boro looking at this stuff, Boro Nitride armor. So we need these cubic, whatever, hexagonal Boro Nitride, which we get from the crystallizer, which we get from the Boron Nitride Solution, which we need to get from boric acid and ammonia. So we have our ammonia there, so we need to actually feed this through into chemical reactor. So let's extract, always active. Do not want backflow. We will tell it to insert. So this tank is empty. So now we can do that, and where's my wrench? Get a wrench. The best wrench, at least for now. Okay, I do not know why things are doing weird things. That's fine. Whatever. So we will extract, always active. This is insert. Everything is fine. So we now want to get a bucket. Ender IO. We want a filter. And we want to get a bucket. Bucket. Bouquet. Okay, maybe I need to use this tank again. So, bucket. That is not a tank. That is a fluid dictionary converter and a waste of my time. What do we do with the freaking tank? Black hole tank. So, we want to hydrogen gas. And we want to extract, always active, hydrogen gas. Should go away, hydrogen gas in here. Okay, so we have the boric acid tank. Let's see if we can... Okay, so we have this, and then we're going to take our fluid filter, go in here, and tell it only boric acid goes in. And then we can kill the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is going to go there. And when we get to the point of making a void thing, we'll void from this, but maybe we'll need it. I don't know. So now we're just going to pump this stuff out, because we don't want anything back in there. Always active, no inserting. So we want to insert, extract for brown. So that gives us the boric acid. So now we need to combine this with water again in yet another... oh, we need to put water in here. So let's get lapis. I just want to do this, guys. We've been working on this like all week. All week. Blue, blue, blue. That gives us water. Oh my gosh, this is turning into a disaster. I mean, it's working, but... Is water what we're supposed to be doing? Nope, it's ammonia. I knew that. See, disaster. Let's avoid this again and go get our ammonia. We're gonna finish this. Oh my gosh. I think that's ammonia. Oh yeah. So ammonia. Put that there. We're gonna tell it to do its thing and go. So now it's working. Now we pick this up. We get rid of that. Get rid of all of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That can go away. That can go away. That can go away. And now we need another tank. So, is this empty yet? Okay, so we need some speed. Speed. Not those. Speed. Go. And we need some energy. Energy. So that's going to give us water. And we can do that. That gives us the Boro Nitride Solution. So this tank should slowly empty over time. Water bucket. Yeah, I'm not thrilled with the fact that these are, you can't set these to auto empty. So, but yeah, that gives us our boron nitride solution, and tomorrow we'll set up, we'll figure out how to void stuff and set up the crystallizer and move on. All right. So I hope you liked the episode. If you did, leave me a like. If you didn't, don't. Questions, comments, concerns can all go below. You folks have a great night.